This is Jeff from Triple Peak and Roofing and lots of other stuff too.
Yeah.
But we're talking fiber cement siding. Do you guys offer this?
No. The short answer is no.
Why not?
It is a very tough product to get right 100% of the time.
What do you mean? What's tough?
There's so much that can go wrong with fiber cement. The return on investment, we don't feel is good for the majority of our homeowners. Finding people to be able to train and do that product correctly.
What makes it so difficult to install? What is it about the process?
You have to get it right when you're installing it, because if any water gets behind it, that fiber cement is just going to deteriorate from behind.
Tough. Yeah.
So you have to caulk everything precisely and do everything according to the instructions, which you wouldn't think would be a hard thing to do, but it is a hard thing to do in today's labor shortage.
Okay, well, it's true. I mean, it's tough. It's tough finding craftsmen these days. We all hear about this on the news, and so it takes a particular type of training. I mean, to do this product well.
You really want to have the training behind who's doing it,
yes,
and the company that's installing it for you. You want to make sure that they are taking their time, and you as the homeowner must understand that something that takes time there's going to be a cost to that.
Sure. And if there isn't, if the cost comes in too low,
you might want to think why. Because fiber cement, just alone for the product alone, is pretty expensive when you're comparing it to either aluminum or vinyl siding.
As you say, if the key to this thing, if any moisture gets anywhere, starts getting in there,
it's going to ruin your fiber cement.
Okay. So and obviously, even over time, things, even if the caulking is done correctly everywhere, caulk will.
And that's where it would come to the homeowner. How often are you maintaining your home?
Yeah.
Because caulking does fail. And if it fails and you haven't caught it right away, you may have just ruined your siding.
Well, sounds like it's something you got to worry about a lot, this cement siding.
I think it's a lot more worry than what it's worth.
I'm just curious, why do people, why do they even want this versus just traditional siding? Is there something that...
I feel that the companies that manufacture the fiber cement really have it locked down really good, and they make it seem like it is the only best thing that's on the market when there are so many more.
My widget is always going to be better than the other widgets out there. Sure, and that's what they're. But from your experience, it's just and your experience. You guys have been doing this a long time. It's tough. It's got to be done right, and obviously it's tough to.
Yeah, unfortunately, we've been called out to homes that had fiber cement put on or hardy board, or things like that, and we find mistakes that might have happened, and this is what caused this, and we see it more often than not.
Wow. So if you're interested, cement siding can't help you. Sorry, you have to look elsewhere.
Unfortunately, we always do recommend them to look elsewhere for the fiber cement and hardy board.
Well, it's good to know anyway, because I know when you guys show up to do a siding job and roofing jobs, you ask a lot of questions about that house to get it done right, and if you're feeling like it's not going to get done right, you're not going to do it. So
they can still call us if they're looking for fiberboard, and we might be able to show you the benefits of maybe something else.
It might be worth something doing. So, but if you do want the cement, sorry, we can't help you.
Just not going to install it.
Well,
sorry.
Appreciate you being up front, Jeff, about that.
For sure.